So hey guys, this is Anish from YouTubers. So we're gonna do a video by a DIY house. And this is a house, like a DIY house. This cardboard is so big. This was a refrigerator for my uncle, and this cardboard thing, the door is not like this from the beginning. In the beginning, we had to keep it like an opening thing, like an attic door. So that was really hard. So we kept normal door, and I need a parent's help. So Dad will come in 3, 2, 1, go. So
hey
Dad,
Anish, how did you magic me?
so
It's very surprising.
Yeah.
Okay. To be specific, guys, we couldn't find a real good way how we can engage both Anish and Shravya during this period, and they've been playing some traditional games and but so not really doing out well.
Yeah.
So we thought we will actually do some do-it-yourself stuff. We have seen a lot of videos on YouTube, and we have some amount of cardboard at home. So we thought we'll use the cardboards and then do something. But all those videos are actually very tiny, and then I don't think they can go inside and then have fun.
Obviously, because there's a small house for my sisters.
Like we have built a very small house for our Shravya's dolls. So that was very tiny. Yeah, so you can see that now.
So that's not a built-in one.
We just made it and watching some videos on YouTube. But we thought, let us make something big, so both Anish and Shravya can actually have fun. And luckily, we have got a big refrigerator box. And
as I mentioned,
so now, initially what we did was we just thought we will just have one ground floor, and we said, okay, we'll just cut some pieces and just one door, 2 windows, and then both Anish and Shravya and we'll go inside and then have fun.
But the beginning of the door was like a attic.
Yeah, but we thought, that is pretty normal. There is no much fun in that.
Yes.
So that's why we thought, okay, we have to make it a bit different. So what we did is we thought we will add one more floor.
So my dad bought a whiteboard, and from that card box we just did it.
Yeah, so to make some videos we actually bought some whiteboard.
Good.
So with that whiteboard we have got the cardboard, right? So we use the cardboard to actually make the second floor for the house.
Second floor or the first floor?
Yeah, however you call it as. Okay, so
nice.
Initially we have used hard glue as per some of those videos.
Yes.
And when we were using hard glue, it really didn't stick well. So we thought we have to make it a bit different. So hence we have actually stitched it. Yes. So you can see we have stitched the cardboards together.
And it's really strong, guys.
And now this is really strong.
It's sturdy.
You can see the whole thing is
and the roof
strong.
was coming up, so I could stand.
So now even the roof is strong. Everything is very strong.
Yes.
So our idea to stitch really worked out well. So you can actually see that we have stitched the top floor to the bottom one using threads.
And we'll show you the standing thing.
Yeah.
This was actually bending because of the weight of the
Yeah. So initially when we built it, so we thought it will withstand the weight. But what happened was because of this weight, this started coming down. So then we thought we should add some columns.
Yes.
So Anish, can you show this column?
Yeah. We'll show it.
Yeah. So we have added 2 columns.
So hope you Yes. So this is a column which me and my dad did it.
This is a strong column we have made.
Yes.
So it is actually going to support from this particular piece. And this is another column that we have made. Which is still wobbly. We need to stitch it to the back.
Yes.
That we'll do it in this video.
It's just coming off, but we stitched it here also.
Okay.
We stitched it here because it should stick, right? If we did hard glue again, it would come out again. So
okay. So let me take the video from here.
this is a column again. Like this is from the beginning. Like it was wobbly and it could come every time. So we stitched this also. If you want to see the stitches, then outside see it.
Yeah, so we have stitched this very
And
tightly.
this is-
These are another 2 cardboard boxes we have stitched to make strong pillars on this side.
And we got some light from coming here. And
So
some
this is actually ventilation for the house. You can
ventilation
consider that.
and lighting place.
Yeah.
Yep. So this is all thermocol here and there on the top and bottom. So, and this is really strong actually. The house will not even move. And see guys, this is actually a broken part. My dad just cut it by mistake. But now it's glue, it's taped and it's super perfect. Perfecto.
So now this is Anish roof garden. So he can actually stand up and then see the TV. So you can see.
Hopefully I can see.
Yeah, the TV is right here. So he can actually see the TV standing from right from there.
Shall I stand and show them?
Yeah, why not?
I'm
So-
just standing with my knees
Yeah, he's standing on his knees and he can see the TV.
easily. I can sit and see also. And this is a border which we made today. And
This is the new door. Actually, the door was we just cut all these 3 sides. So this side, and this side. All these 3 sides we have cut, and then we just throwed it in. But later on, we thought, I mean, like for a nice house, the door should be regular, proper,
Yeah.
like this.
but not an attic door.
Yeah, it should not be like an attic door. So that's why we thought we have to make the door a
And
bit
we
more
made
interesting.
a handle.
And we also made a handle.
Before it was not even there.
Yeah, so we just added
We
this
didn't got even an
additional
idea.
stuff. Yeah, and we also bought some color papers, so we still need to stick it.
Like a cardboard sheet. It's like a cardboard sheet.
Yeah, it is actually color sheets we have bought.
It's a-
Now we have to actually. We don't want to paint the house because that will be too much time. That will be taking too much time. We have bought some color papers, so to make it look a bit bright. So we have both Anish and Shravya. Anish likes blue and Shravya likes pink. So we have got both the colors here. So you can see. So these are the pink sheets and we have blue
Pink is
sheets.
bright actually.
Yeah,
Pink and
pink
blue
is
are
always
bright.
blue. Pink is always bright.
Pink is not always blue.
And
blue are nice.
yeah, these are the 2 different colors we have brought. And we also got some brown color because we for the wooden doors we better have brown color, we thought.
It could look like a wood thing. A wood door.
Yeah.
Like a real house. See
Yes.
there? That's a wooden door. Obviously.
So like that, we wanted to have a real wooden door.
Yeah.
So we are actually making the wooden door. At least the color is going to be wooden.
Yeah. Actually,
So
my dad first for the columns he thought like cardboard. Means
real wood.
Real
Yeah.
wood. Yeah.
I mean, like my brother-in-law bought a cupboard, and then with that cupboard we got another. I mean, like extra
Cardboard.
cardboards.
And
So
the
we have
columns
used
are
it.
made with it.
Yeah, columns are made with the cardboard that came with that.
Or else we have to cut the wood. It's
Yeah.
a lots of time. It's a waste of time actually.
So now this is the current state of the house. We are planning to make it a bit different. We wanted to add colors to it,
And,
and
this
we
be
will
like
actually
series nice.
add some more windows, and then we will make it look like a real house.
Mostly.
And that is our aim. And we don't have any blueprints, so this is all our own idea. So
like
we
we're
have
just
been.
making it up.
Yeah, we are just making it up. I mean, like when we found something wrong, we just started adding stuff. Like we have added the columns. So
And
now
these-
we are going to add more stuff to this. I mean, like more windows and then more colors and make it more bright.
Yeah.
So let us see, I mean, like how it is going to come.
Stay tuned, stay safe, and please subscribe to our channel, ATubers. Bye bye.